one, I have this Behringer Europort MPA40BT Bluetooth speaker. Now I'm gonna play a song on it called "See You Again." It's a very good song for the speaker. So let's start.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about a...
Oh crap. Yeah, I guess that's the end of it. I don't know why, but my internet likes to freeze. So, but anyways, there's a little sample of it. You should go buy one for yourself, because they're awesome. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and goodbye. Bye.